In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up 1password and why it's essential for your digital security. Whether you're using 1password on your desktop or mobile device, this backup process is vital for safeguarding your sensitive data, ensuring that even if something goes wrong, your information remains accessible. Let's dive in and walk through this straightforward process together. First, we begin by launching the 1password application on your device. This might seem simple, but it's the first critical step. Once you've opened the app, make sure you're logged in with your master password to access your vault. It's crucial that you have your master password ready, as it's the key to unlocking all your stored information. Now keep in mind that your master password should be both strong and memorable, a balance that protects your data without leaving you locked out. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the app. Here you'll notice a three-dot icon, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with various choices. This brings us to the next step. Look for the Export option. Selecting this allows you to create a backup of your 1password data. This export feature is designed to provide a seamless way to keep your data safe without hassle. Once you've clicked on Export, you'll be prompted to choose a destination for your backup file. This could be a location on your computer or an external storage device. It's critically important to select a secure and accessible location. Opting for an external hard drive or a secure cloud service is often a good choice. While making this decision, consider how you can best protect this backup from unauthorized access, perhaps by encrypting the storage device or folder. At this point, the app will guide you through exporting your information, converting your data into a file format that's easy to restore later if needed. As you proceed, remain vigilant about maintaining the confidentiality of the exported file, treating it with the same care as any other sensitive document in your possession. Remember, backing up your 1password data is not just about protecting against data loss, but also about ensuring you have peace of mind. Though it's unlikely you'll encounter issues that require a backup, being prepared can alleviate stress and prevent potential crises. Keeping an up-to-date backup is a small investment of time that can pay dividends in security and convenience. If you have any questions or want to learn more about additional features 1password offers, feel free to explore their website or consult their support materials. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to make this a regular part of your digital security routine. Stay safe and see you next time.